Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English, the podcast that makes learning English feel natural, fun, and totally doable. I'm Julia.
And I'm James. Today, we're bringing you an extended episode on one of our most requested topics, the easy way to speak English fluently. We're going deeper than usual with real examples, common mistakes, practice phrases, and even some fun role plays.
That's right. Fluency isn't about memorizing 1,000 rules or sounding like a native overnight. It's about building simple daily habits that make speaking feel automatic. We've helped thousands of learners with these tips, and today we're sharing 8 powerful ones, plus bonus practice.
Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Speak out loud every single day, even if you're alone.
This is the foundation. So many students tell us, I understand English, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out. The fix? Practice speaking when there's zero pressure. Narrate your day. Right now, I'm walking to the kitchen. I'm opening the fridge. Oh, there's some yogurt. I'm going to eat it for breakfast.
Exactly. Start small, 10 minutes a day. It trains your brain to think in English instead of translating from your language. Pro tip: do it in front of a mirror to work on confidence and facial expressions too.
Great addition! Let's practice right now. Listeners, pause the podcast and say out loud, today is a beautiful day. I'm listening to Speak Easy English and I'm improving my fluency. How did that feel?
Tip 2. Master shadowing, the fastest way to sound natural.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately after them. It copies rhythm, intonation, and connected speech.
Example: listen to this simple sentence normally. What are you doing this weekend? Now, how natives really say it. What are you doing this weekend? Shadow podcasts, songs, or shows like Friends.
Try this phrase with us. We'll say it slowly first, then natural speed. Slow. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Natural. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Now you repeat after us.
Tip 3. Stop chasing perfection. Embrace mistakes.
This mindset shift is huge. I had a student from Brazil who was terrified of errors. Once she started saying, I know no, instead of freezing, her fluency exploded.
Real story. When I learned French, I once said, je suis plein, thinking it meant I'm full after eating. It actually means, I'm pregnant. Everyone laughed, but I survived, and never forgot the right phrase.
Mistakes are your best teachers. Keep talking.
Tip 4. Total immersion without leaving home.
Change everything to English. Phone, Netflix, YouTube, even your GPS. Label objects in your house. Stick notes saying, window, lamp, remote control.
Bonus: listen to English while doing chores, podcasts in the shower, audiobooks while cooking. Your brain absorbs so much passively.
Tip 5. Record and review yourself.
Once a week, record 2 to 3 minutes on your phone. Describe your perfect weekend or talk about your favorite food. Listen back. Notice filler words like speed, pronunciation.
Most people hate their voice at first, but after a month, you'll hear massive improvement. It's like having a free coach.
Tip 6. Think in English. Stop translating mentally.
This is advanced but game-changing. When you see a dog, think, dog, not your word, then dog. Start with simple things, colors, numbers, emotions.
Practice game. Look around right now. Name 5 things in English in your head. Go!
Tip 7. Find real conversations. but start easy.
Apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or italki for language exchange. Or join Discord servers for English learners. Begin with text chat, then voice messages, then calls.
Pro tip: prepare 3 to 5 topics you're comfortable with. Family, hobbies, travel. That way, you're never stuck.
Let's do a quick role play. Julia, pretend you're meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
Hi, I'm James. I work in marketing, but I love photography on weekends. How about you?
I teach English online. It's great because I meet people from everywhere. Where are you from?
See? Simple, natural questions. Listeners, practice this dialogue with a friend or yourself.
And our bonus tip 8: be consistent and kind to yourself.
15 to 20 minutes daily beats 2 hours once a week. Track progress in a journal. This week, I spoke for 5 minutes without pausing.
Celebrate wins. Buy yourself coffee when you complete a week of daily practice. Fluency is a journey. Enjoy it.
We could talk about this forever, but let's wrap up. Which tip will you try first? Message us on Instagram or YouTube. We read every comment.
Thank you for spending time with us on this bigger episode. If you're loving Speak Easy English, subscribe, leave a review, and share with a friend who's learning.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you're already better than yesterday.
See you in the next episode.